Welcome everybody to Clarington Kia. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this value find. This is a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe Essential with only 114,000 kilometers on this, no accident history, and it's in great condition. We're going to show you the exterior and the interior features, condition, everything you're going to want to know to make a great decision to come and visit us here at Clarington Kia. Now, underneath the hood, this Santa Fe features a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission. As you can see from the side profile, it's a good size 5-passenger SUV, and there is a lot of room in the trunk. So if you have kids that are in, dance, hockey, all the great sports stuff that we Uber them back and forth to, well, you can load up in this no problem. Now we've got 17-inch alloy wheels, fantastic looking tires on here as well. And then satin aluminum roof rails up top. So if you do want to put some crossbars up there, you can go ahead and do that and then load the roof up with whatever you might like. Now coming around to the back, love the integrated spoiler up top, the nice Santa Fe badge here on the back. And then let's pop open the trunk so you can see all the space back here. So carpeted mats moved out. There's gonna be lots of room back here for activities, Costco, IKEA, going to the cottage, whatever the case is, plenty of room. And then of course you can always fold down the rear seats if you need to. And there is a 12-volt accessory outlet back here. Maybe you got a cooler or something you want to plug in, go ahead and use that there for that. Coming around the passenger side, so you can see all 4 sides of this. Again, you're probably watching this because you're interested in purchasing the Santa Fe, and this is going to give you a really good up close and personal look at it before you come and take it out for a drive. Now up front, the updated headlights, LED daytime running lights, driving lights down below, and a nice looking front grille to kind of finish off the exterior. Now let's go take a look inside. We'll start off with the back seats and then work our way up front. So in the back, we have reclining rear seats. This is a non-smoker vehicle. I love the fabric that they've used on the inside. It's almost like a denim look. Looks really nice, but super soft. Big center armrest there. Cool pattern on the speaker cover in the rear. Air conditioning, heating ducts back here, and 2 USB ports so the kids don't have to share their charging cords. You can avoid that fight. Been there. And then up front, we've got heated front seats for the driver and passenger. And this is a height adjustable driver's seat as you would expect. And then hopping in. So have a look around at the interior here. One of the things that I love, and it's a small detail, but I love this. Just how they curved that there. Just one of those little things. I think it looks really sharp. I love the texture and the material that they used as well. Our infotainment, our gauges. Now safety features include forward emergency braking, lane departure warning, automatic headlights, a great rear view camera, adaptive cruise control. It's got a lot of great features, including a heated steering wheel. We've also got the odometer here, like you say, you can read 114,508. And then in the infotainment system, we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So you can use that, of course, or you can just listen to your FM radio. And then we have our nice clear rear view camera for parking this bad boy. Now down from that is our heating and air conditioning controls, our heated seats and our heated steering wheel. And then I'm just going to show you the rear view camera one more time so I can make some room for these folks who want to pull in. There we go. And back to our USB ports down here, our automatic shifter. And then here we've got our electronic parking brake with auto hold. That is not necessarily a new feature, but what that does is when you come to a complete stop with the auto hold engaged, you can take your foot off the brake and relax, especially good obviously for stop and go traffic. The drive mode here, you have options for comfort, sport, and smart. Comfort being obviously the best for fuel economy, sport being the opposite, you have a little bit more fun with it. And then last but definitely not least is our Carfax. So here you can see no accidents or damage records found. There's 9 service records on file as well. And you can have a look at this in store or online when you come and take this out for a drive. And that's what you should do next, is come and visit us here at Clarington Kia. Take this out for a spin. This is really going to be the big difference. The Santa Fe drives really, really nicely. And again, you've got lots of room in here for the whole family. So come check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at Clarington Kia.